This high-end, professionally produced commercial made entirely with AI, the visuals, the animation, everything feels polished and premium. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a complete e-commerce video ad, step by step. No time to waste, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor. It's a stunning video editor packed with powerful AI tools. If you don't have it yet, just check the link in the description below. Once it's downloaded, open it up. And let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Create the script and video prompt. Here's how you can easily copy viral AI ads and turn them into your own. Just grab the link of any high-performing ad, drop it into Edimakor, and pull it right onto the timeline. Right-click and hit Auto Subtitles. This instantly converts the ad's voiceover into text. Once the subtitles are generated, export them as a TXT file and copy the text. Now open ChatGPT, type, "Help me rewrite this script for my Luna Cola." Make it a 30-second video ad. Then paste the text right below. Also, don't forget to upload your product photos. That helps ChatGPT tailor the ad even better. Once you're done, just hit send. And ChatGPT will rewrite the script to perfectly fit your product while keeping that same viral flow and rhythm. Once ChatGPT gives you the rewritten script, copy it and type. Generate image-to-video prompts for each scene based on this script. Now just copy the first prompt. And let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate the video clip. Go to Edimakor, then click AI Video. Next, select Image to Video and choose the Google Veo3 fast model. It's perfect for creating ad-style videos with smooth motion and super fast rendering. Upload your image, then paste the prompt you generated from ChatGPT. Set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Turn on Generate Audio, so your video comes with background sound or narration automatically. Once everything looks good, hit Generate and let the AI create your scene. Repeat the process until you have enough clips for your full ad. Finally, drag all your generated videos onto the timeline, and your professional e-commerce video ad is ready to edit. Step 4. Editing. Next, click Audio. Then select Text-to-Speech. Type in your script, choose a voice that fits your brand or video style, and hit Generate. Once the voice is ready, adjust your visuals to match the pacing and tone of the narration. Then go to Subtitles, select Auto Subtitles, and make sure you're working on the main timeline. Pick a subtitle style you like, and finally, hit Auto Subtitling. Edimakor will automatically sync everything for you. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Introducing the new Luna Cola, where classic taste meets cosmic energy. Crafted with rich flavor, smooth fizz, and a bold touch of midnight magic. Whether it's day or night, Luna keeps your vibe shining bright. Luna Cola, taste the night, feel the spark.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.